Welcome to the How To Hub channel, where we provide the easy solutions to everyday how-to questions. In this video we will be showing you how to use Chat GPT by OpenAI. If you are unaware, GPT is an acronym of Generative Pre-trained Transformer. This is the latest in revolutionary artificial intelligence chatbot that can create conversational text to any questions you may have and can even assist in coding. Firstly, how to set up an account. Go to your web browser and search for chat.openai.com. Or, click on the link in the description below. Now click on Sign Up and then create an OpenAI account. Enter your information and follow the relevant steps in setting up the account. When signing up and logging into your account for the first time, you will need access to your email and phone number that you have provided in order to verify who you are. After logging in, you will land on the Chat GPT homepage. On the homepage you will find examples of how the AI chatbot can work like so. By clicking on a question or topic, the chatbot will go to work generating content on this subject area. Alternatively, you can ask any question of your choosing and see the outcome on the Chat GPT bot like so. You are also able to ask for more specific results. For example, you could type, "Write me a 2,000-word essay on why we need artificial intelligence." This will set a certain word count for your result. ChatGPT has more interesting features you are able to experiment with. To access these, go to your browser and type beta.openai.com/playground. In the playground there are several manageable customization options that you can try. Firstly, you can choose a certain AI model that they have trained on the site. DaVinci 003 is the latest, but you may want to experiment with other models which will give you different results. You are also able to choose the maximum number of characters within the response. If you want to explore more and find more inspiration, you can click on the Examples tab at the top of the screen and this will give you a wide range of features. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with the How To Hub.